Welcome back for another VeChain price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming in on the charts to first give you a recap of what has been happening after getting our bear market lows on the 9th of June at around the $0.0132 mark. We saw that impulsive move to the upside, completing the formation of this wave 1 in a move that gave us a high above the $0.21 mark, that is the $0.021 mark. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum target areas for this wave 2, highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And that has now given me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and a maximum of the fib level 0.78. And that is between the $0.0182 mark and the $0.01494 mark, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And at some point we saw a reaction of this target area, giving us this bounce over here. And as a result of that, I was able to share with you this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side, where I'm terming this high as the high for that first wave, and whatever we are seeing at the time of this recording is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And the minimum target areas for the second wave, we can get them by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And that now gives me a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum. And that is between the $0.016 as a $57 mark and the $0.01545 mark, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize. And there are high chances that maybe in the next coming hours, since we are seeing massive crashes in the crypto market, we can continue heading further down into this blue target area. Maybe at some point VeChain will be able to fully maximize the target area before we can get a bounce of the fib level 0.78 and then start reacting once again to the upper side and see maybe a run up to areas of resistances. But for now, we need to be prepared for further breakdown into maybe the fib level 0.78, which is our last line of defense. And in case we lose the the fib level 0.78, then there are chances that VeChain can now give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 11th of September at around the $0.01465 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the VeChain chart on the short term. And those are my breakdown target areas. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.